Like always, it just randomly starts to pour when you're out somewhere. Soaked. I'm on my way to Miami body roll. I'm gonna try it out for the very first time. I'm like so onto rolling my body every single day, so well, when I can. So I'm so excited for this. Really enjoyed doing this. I paid $40 as like a first time client, and I did the 45-minute time slot. Next time I would probably bring a guest because you don't really need all that time and you can totally split it. And then afterwards I went to Joe the Juice and tried it for the very first time. I would come back for the carrot cake because it was really good. And then I just stopped at Brandy Millville, didn't get anything. And then the next morning we woke up and we went to Zach the Baker and Wynwood. This was one of our favorite bakeries in Miami, so you have to try it if you haven't yet. That's beautiful, baby. I know, I might want to get one here.
You know, like guitar later.
We could even walk in there and just look, you know? The mushroom one has like cheese or something. So yeah.
Oh, you guys want to get it?
I know. We'll see it. Oh, it's warm, baby.
What? Yeah, I know.
Nice. This is actually really good coffee.
Yeah, I dig it.
Look at all the goods we got. I'm literally kind of wanting to just break that apart and just have some. See the gorgeousness.
I like that it's not a sweet.
Oh, and this is the vodka. They put it in. Yummy. I think this is gonna be my first chocolate vodka. That's like.
What does that even mean?
So it's like a roulette, but with chocolate.
I mean, it looked popular.
I see what it's about. It's good.
Yeah.
You know what they're calling.
That's funny though. Thank you. No problem.
Thank you. These do look nice. That's cute.
Feel free to get the sky level. Please not touch the garden service.
And then we headed across the street to look at these beauties before we went down to South Beach.
Oh, that one's not good. Is it closed?
Is it closed? Aw. What time do they open? 12.
The pool. Yeah. Do you want to go in the pool?
Look at clothes.
So pretty. Photographer. Photographer. If you're ever in Miami, come here. This place is called Block Pizza. They make it like super fresh. So fire.
I make craving barbecue chicken. Why are you waiting behind me? Don't like.
Thank you, lover.
Huh?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's gonna be good. But yeah, it's so hot, babe.
Oh,
My body is like burnt on these seats.
It was such a humid, like hot morning, so we decided to just go back home and relax.
It's a beautiful day today. I am at Whole Foods, just got some groceries, and I also stopped at Trader Joe's. I'm just gonna go home right now and unpack all of this, clean and stuff like that. But look how beautiful these things are. I'm getting ready to make a quick cottage cheese bowl, one for him to go to work, and then I'm gonna have one too. And I'm gonna be using this stuff in there. These are the pumpkin seeds I got from Costco. I just tried them, they're pretty good. And then I will give him a granola bar because I'm gonna come back with dinner. So yeah, and then these are the fruits I'm gonna use, just berries, bananas, make it sweet. You do have like mango. Mango is very, very good in here. This is what it ends up looking like. I don't like that much honey on mine, but he does prefer his to be sweeter, so I make more on his. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this to him right now. But you can make so much different bowls with cottage cheese. It's actually very, very good for you. So I like to eat like this. I do break my fast at 1, so it's 12:52 right now. And I'm gonna be eating at 1 o'clock. So that's gonna be my breakfast lunch. I'm off. This is what I look like today. I'm literally like running around all day.